So in this video is for NEET 2021 aspirants. You have had 2 days which were a lot of distraction, but it's important that you come back to studies, focus again on your NEET exam. NEET exam is going to happen. 16 lakh people are going to appear for 40,000 government college seats. You can't afford to get distracted. And what I'm recommending you is, I've recommended it in various formats earlier also, again reminding you of the basics. 14-day focus plan, 14-day focus plan, right? And what does 14-day focus plan mean? 14 days, 12 days of studies, 1 day of mock test revision, MT's mock test, and 1 day writing mock test, and after that doing postmortem. This is the way you need to organize your studies. In these 12 days of studies, you can easily finish 9 to 10 chapters if you have already done something, right? Or you prepared earlier and you know some chapters and you know that you need to focus more on some chapters, focus less on some chapters. How to organize these 12 days of studies? You can study daily for 10 hours, 6 hours of theory and 4 hours of question practice. And what I told you was, make 5 blocks of 2 hours each. 1, 3, 5, right? 2 hour, 2 hour, 2 hour, 2 hour, 2 hour, right? Keep them for low intensity tasks. 1, 3 and 5, right? What are your low intensity tasks? 1, 3, 5. Low intensity tasks are your theory reading, right? Or video watching, notes revision, or even bio theory or questions, right? Bio. And keep the remaining 2 for high intensity tasks, physics question practice, chemistry question practice, where you find a little bit things more difficult. But important thing is, daily 6 hours of theory and 4 hours of question practice, and 4 hours of question practice, 4 hours of question practice. This means if you are doing physical chemistry or physics chapters, you can easily do around 80 questions, right? If you are doing bio, you can easily do around 160 questions. If you are doing organic or inorganic, you can do around 140 questions. Do this many questions daily, guys. You can mix them up as well, but important thing is theory and question practice. And if you do it this way, every 2 weeks, every 12 days, you can finish 9 to 10 chapters. But what I'm trying to tell you is, it doesn't guarantee that you are at 0 level and you'll be able to crack NEET. What it definitely guarantees is, wherever you are, you will have significant improvement by the time NEET exam happens. You will have significant improvement by the time NEET exam happens, because still 24 weeks remain in NEET exam, which means these type of 14-day plan, you can do these kind of things for 12 times, and 12 into 9 or 10, you'll be able to complete your syllabus properly. You would have done a lot of question practice, you would have written tests. And one thing which is very clear from this is, right now focus on writing tests every 2 weeks or every 14 days, and closer to NEET exam, 2 months before that, you can get into every week test writing. But guys, very, very important that you break up your preparation into 14-day windows. 14-day focus plan, 14-day focus plan. Just keep this thing in your mind and try and squeeze the maximum out of these 14 days, which is what I've explained to you here. Please tell me in the comments if you have been able to understand what I'm trying to say. But if you do it this way, I'm very, very clear. Your distractions will go away, because you know that you have to finish this 14-day activity so that you can write the test properly, and your preparation would get properly organized. All the distractions will go away if you start doing this. So tell me in the comment section if you are able to understand what I'm trying to say. If you have any questions on these in this 14-day focus plan, let me know. I'll try and answer it. Or if there is any specific thing, any follow-up video I need to create, I will do that, student. But come back to this 14-day focus plan and say no to distraction, all the comedy drama that is happening around reduced syllabus. Just forget about it, get back to studies and focus on this 14-day focus plan. All right, students.